The BMW X7 is what car's 2024 Luxury Car of the Year. And here are 5 reasons why.
Apart from a private jet or a cruise ship, there aren't many vehicles which can let 7 people travel in absolute luxury. Yet in the BMW X7, they can. In fact, second-row passengers are practically VIPs, with luxuries including heated seats and their own climate control zone, plus acres of head and legroom. And don't think that third-row passengers are travelling in economy class, because here a couple of 6-footers will be perfectly comfortable, and they too can set their own temperature.
The strengths inside aren't just about practicality though, because there's a real wow factor when you're sat inside the X7. The curved touchscreen for the fantastic infotainment system and the joining digital instrument panel gives it a high-tech look. Plus, you get ambient lighting, glossy trim finishes, and polished glass elements on the lower center console. And everything feels as good as it looks, with soft touch materials in all the major touch points.
Luxury in space isn't going to mean a lot if your passengers keep turning green, but there's no chance of that happening in the X7 because the standard fit air suspension will take care of whatever our broken British roads can throw at it. Go for our recommended Ultimate Pack, and that air suspension is upgraded for a ride that's as soft as the pillow in a bougie hotel. Plus, you get 4-wheel steering, which makes tackling tight city streets a doddle.
And whether you're in the city or out on a long motorway journey, the X7's engine will impress. Our favourite version is the xDrive 40D, which has a torquey 3-litre 6-cylinder diesel engine with 347 brake horsepower, which is brilliantly refined and hushed at all speeds, packing enough punch to get you from 0 to 62 miles an hour in a quick 5.9 seconds. It will absolutely demolish long journeys with ease, but it's just as happy at lower speeds, quietly moving along with minimal fuss.
M Sport is a popular trim choice across the BMW range, and in the X7 it makes a lot of sense, getting you a sporty look and upgraded brakes to go along with the X7's standard fit luxuries. The side benefit of going for M Sport trim is that because of its desirability, you'll get a larger percentage of your money back when you come to sell, or enjoy lower monthly payments if you're on a PCP finance deal.
So, the BMW X7 is what car's 2024 Luxury Car of the Year, because it's massive and luxurious inside, with a great engine lineup and a very comfortable ride. No car better blends luxury with versatility.